Are you leaving money on the table? There are 6 financial moves you must make before December 31st if you want to save more money. In this video, I'm going to show you these 6 moves. Number 1, maximize your tax-free savings account contributions. Why is this important? Anything you put in the TFSA is tax-free. So maximize your growth and your contribution room in the tax-free savings account. But guess what? Don't just put it in a tax-free savings account. Make sure that the vehicle is really working for you and your money is working for you. Invest in index funds, in stocks, in ETFs, and mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio in your tax-free savings account and ensure that your money is really working for you. Number 2, leverage the FHSA, which is the First Home Savings Account. Why is this important? It works like an RSP and it also works like a TFSA. What do I mean? Anything you put into the First Home Savings Account, you get a tax refund on it. When you access the money also to purchase your first home, guess what? You don't pay tax on it. So you're enjoying tax refunds when you contribute into it. And if you don't have an account, open one before December 31st so that you will have your contribution room for this year rolling into next year. So $8,000 is the maximum contribution room. Whenever you do not maximize your room, it rolls over to the next year. So if you did not contribute up to $8,000 this year, even if you just open it with zero amount, by next year, you're going to have a room of $16,000. Guess what? That can save you on taxes if you maximize it next year. Number 3, make charitable donations. Why is this important? Giving back to a registered charity reduces your taxable income. And guess what? This will make a huge difference in the charity that you believe in and in your community if you give back. Learn to give back. It's important. Donate before December 31st and keep your receipts to claim on your taxes the next year. Make sure you do that before December 31st because this will help you in your tax filing the next year. Number 4, rebalance your investment portfolio. What I do at the end of the year is that I track on my investment portfolio and I look at the assets that underperform. I sell off those assets and I move the money into tax efficient investments where I can get good tax refunds and reinvest my portfolio the next year. So this is something you could do. Sell off the underperforming assets in order for you to offset the gains for the year, capital gains, right? And then reinvest the money into tax efficient opportunities. Number 5, if you have kids, pay into the RESP. Every dollar you have contributed into the registered education saving plans, guess what? It earns you up to 20% in government grants. We call the government grant CESG. Listen, contribute before December 31st to ensure that your child's education savings is growing faster with free government money. There's no harm. If you contribute to $2,500, you get $500. That is $3,000. Imagine doing that for the next 14 years. Extra money paid into your children's RESP. Number 6, review your RRSP contributions. Why? RSP contributions lower your taxable income and allows you to have tax deferred growth. Get ahead by contributing now instead of waiting till the March deadline because you put yourself in a better position. These are 6 things you must do before December 31st. Don't forget to download my free investment guide using the link below, and don't forget to save and share this video if you found it useful. See you in the next video.